Hard-coding values directly in your Terraform configs is a maintenance trap. Variables are how you make configs reusable and safe. In Terraform, you declare a variable using a variable block. You write the keyword variable, then the name in quotes, then curly braces. Inside, the type argument tells Terraform what kind of value to expect. String, number, bool, list, or map are the most common. Type constraints catch mismatches before Terraform even runs, making your configuration self-documenting and safer to share across teams. You can add 2 more optional arguments. The default argument gives a fallback value. If no value is supplied at runtime, Terraform uses it instead of throwing an error. The description argument is plain text documentation explaining what the variable does. It appears in plan output and helps teammates understand intent without having to read the rest of your code. To use a variable, reference it with var.name. For example, var.region inside a resource block. Terraform substitutes the actual value at plan time. You supply values via the command line with -var, a .tfvars file, or an environment variable prefixed with tf_var_ followed by the variable name. Define variables with a variable block, lock in the type, add a default and description, then reference them with var.name. Follow for more Terraform fundamentals. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.